Alright guys, very quick, I'll be showing you how to invest into US stocks in Nigeria using the Vest investment app. So first and first, go to Play Store or Apple Store and download the Vest app. Alright, so this is right here, Vest investment. So once you download the app, you register using the referral code in the description box. So use my invite code to register, very important. So once you're done with the registration, okay, so the next thing is to open and make sure you verify your account with valid ID. Okay, so make sure you do your KYC, very important. So the next step is for you to deposit. You're going to see withdraw button and deposit button close to each other, so you click on deposit and you're going to see different options. How do you like to deposit your money? So I recommend bank transfer for Nigerians. Okay, so you click on deposit via bank transfer and you copy this Vest account number right here. Okay, you're going to see your Vest email, then you click deposit. Okay, so once you click on deposit, all right, so you enter the amount you want to deposit, then you enter your first name, your last name, then your email with the Vest account number you paste, and you click on pay. All right, so let me quickly use an example. Okay, so let's say you want to deposit 200,000 naira. Okay, so name Victor Sunny, then email address, then you click on pay and so make sure your email address is correct. Make sure it's the same with what is on your Vest account. So you click on pay. All right, so once you click on pay, automatically it will redirect you to this page. So you click on pay 200,000. I'm just using this as an example. So it's going to give you the payment details. So this is the amount and this is the account number. So you copy the account number, then you select the bank name, which is Sterling Bank, and you see the beneficiary name VestPay. All right, so you pay into the account and make sure you copy the correct account number, then you send the right amount. Okay, so once that is done, automatically Flutterwave will send you an email, okay, to confirm, to let you know that your payment has been verified. And after 2 to 3 business days, your deposit will reflect. Okay, so that's how you deposit. All right, so once you deposit, okay, if you click here, as you can see, I have $15 available to invest. If you click on it, okay, so you see your funds, the amount you deposited, okay, so which will be available for you to invest. So in order for you to invest, to buy stock, so as you can see right here, we have different tabs: portfolio, invest, analyze, explore, community. So it's either you click on invest or you stay on the portfolio page right here, then you scroll down and you click on see all. Okay, then you search for whatever you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy paper stock, so search for paper, this is right here, then we'll click on it. Right, so let's use the invest tab. This is the invest tab. So at the top you're going to see a search icon, so you click on it, click on the search bar, paper. So we want to buy paper stock right now, this is right here. So once you click on it, it will load and you're going to see invest. So whatever you want to invest into, make sure you read about it. So as you can see, Paper Holdings Incorporation offers a technology platforms. The company's products are designed to enable digital payment. So Paper, almost everyone into online business, okay, knows about Paper. So we're going to click on invest All right, then we type the amount we want to invest. Interesting thing about this is that you can invest with as little as $1. Okay, as little as $1. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. So I'm actually investing $1.10 on paper. I'll click on continue. So we have market order and we have limit order. Okay, so we have stop buy. So you can decide to use limit order, all right, instead of market order. So limit order, so you set the limit price, the amount of share quantity, then you click on continue. All right, so if you don't want to buy based on the current market price, so for the sake of this video tutorial, I'm going to buy based on market order. So click on market order. Okay, then market order, buying dollars. Okay, yeah, then click on continue. Submit buy order. It's loading. So as you can see, it's done. So if I go and check now, I should see paper among my investment. So initially what I had here is $15 plus. So right now is what do I have now? $14 plus. Okay, so and this is the paper right here. This is the paper right here. As you can see, $1. Okay, so now let's say I want to sell Amazon stock right here. Okay, I showed you how to buy. Let me show you how to sell. So let's use the Amazon.com. Oh, let's just use the PayPal as well. PayPal. Okay. So I'm gonna click on sell. You automatically see the sell button. You click on sell. Okay. So I'm selling $1. Okay. So I'll click on continue. I'll click on submit sell order. So you can buy and sell with as little as $1. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so you can see my available balance is back to $15. Okay, so this is how you buy and sell. All right, this is how you buy and sell US stocks in Nigeria or in Africa or whatever country you are, because VEST is actually global, is international, and it's purely on US stocks. Like the stocks here is purely based on US stocks, so you can't buy Nigerian stocks here, only US stocks. Like I think you have options to buy as many US stocks as possible using VEST investment app. So that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.